Hello, music customers. Yeah, so I welcome you to Stepping Stone Design. So we are here to lay the natural stones on the front view from down to top, and here down to top, and the top here, and the middle here, and here also. You see, so nice and beautiful. And we are going to repeat the same design at the back of the house also. You understand me? So it is too late here, but I want just to make this video for you to see the update. As I come, at least I have to make some video for you to see how beautiful and natural stones are. One of the reasons we say, if you build your house in Ghana, kindly fix a natural stones, that will increase the value of your building. You see, so nice and beautiful, as you can see. You see, this one we don't wash the stones yet too, but look at how the stones looking is so nice and beautiful, as you can see. You see, you see. So you don't need to plaster your building. You see, you can let the stone direct, as you can see. So you see, as for this contract, we have involved the flat stone to this customer location. You see, so we are involved the flat stones for all these places, and we have cut the stones here. You see, we have cut the stone for here, put them on this place, and we divide the stone again before we are using the stones. You understand me? So it is possible to involve the tarkwa flat stone to your location and cut the stones at your location before the installation. You see, so these are our stone material that we are using. So it is possible to cut these stones on your location. It will help you save some money before we lay it on the wall. So whatever they give us a call, we do work across the country. You understand me? And natural stones increase the value of your building. You see, and natural stones increase the value of your building, and it make it so beautiful and so attractive. So leave a portion for a natural stones if you're about to build in Ghana here, or you have already built in Ghana here. So if you build a story building like this and you want to lay natural stones, you can keep this bamboo. You see, you can keep this bamboo, so that this bamboo will help you for the scaffolding. You see, this customer will not spend any money on the scaffolding. Once the carpenter came and do it for us, you use them for everything. You see, so this will help you for not paying like almost like 100 Ghana or 200 Ghana a day on scaffolding in Ghana here. So this bamboo, they are so helpful here in Ghana. So if you use this bamboo for your concrete, you can maintain them so that you use them for your scaffolding for a job. That will help you save a lot of money. So one point. Okay. And then the answer. Yamina. Oh, Charlie. Ever nano be obi a reporting my account. I give him some more. YouTube. Nakama pabampo. La reporting and they say, I say age ma e di camera de chu ejuma no say ke. Again say no o sresre. Oba. But alega be man any ya o. Go say be man onya we. Os be no so o wizo o so o channel ni bi.
One minute. Check down there. Down where?
So little things be around here now and how well lose baby. Or I say the you see, as for this job, it's a design. You see, the design will say you'll be living a space. You see, the stones is not going to sit on the stones. There will be a space, a line space. So that'll be how the design going to look like. You see, you'll be living a space. So nice and beautiful. You see. So that'll be how the design look like. If in case you want it to be closed for you, you surely do it for you. So all depends on what you want or what you see or how you want the design should be on the wall. So now you are trying to remove our task for inside and clean it up and sweep it and we close in the day. Tomorrow, God willing, we will continue. Oh, say the hell, if you see my baby, you go jackpot or young pa. Oh, baby, run. Maybe yes, I didn't so can so I adapt to this. I know me home to me. Almost like 5 days in it. Me feel okay. As obi house ka nipa ni as ni nji baba advance ba am pass nya sky e manage 100%. Okay. Sky so ni limit o me do yame la on say ade me hu ni say so bi Oscar wo Oscar wo ever say edi pa wo dey o say edi pa ja edi so bi Oscar bro super I be like la on ko ju bo ti mi di pe na ask ka ti be no escape more happiness because already no. So for everybody go same now always work at the corner not na wolem na o chi ase chale but then say be like every day be na say the every day be so to be ko juma bi sa kwa na already na ade na okita no ensu ena juma so bi debi ona be ko debi so enko ye debi ona obi we dey so cause assembly The letters are the system element that see.
Well, but me from 1, 2, 3 line, me. If you see 4th one.
I want to move and so.
Yeah.
Okay. If you see my baby, go there. I will see my baby, go like a mom, porum pam pam. So whatever idea, whatever locate yourself, give us a call. Steven Stone Design. We do work across the country. If you see me, go like him. Wow. Yeah, so whatever idea, give us a call. We work across the country. Bye bye.